Bosch is a data-driven company, and analytics is deeply embedded. I really can be very happy when I make a model and it looks great. You know the physics behind it, and you see that the model is following the physics. I am part of Mobility Solutions. We make wiper blades for the windshield for the cars. In Tienen we make the rubber, and we are a mini factory. So that means that not that we are a very small factory, but that means that we are a factory who has everything. In Bosch, when I started there, we didn't use Jump. And one of the drawbacks we had with the software we had at that time was actually that we couldn't do a custom design. And for us, the custom design of a DOE was very important. What I did was just start with a small example. And I proved that it worked. And then I showed the graphs and I showed the profiler. And then you get your first license, and then it starts rolling, and you do a second project. And then you find a second enthusiastic person in another group who also can use it, and you talk with her, and then it starts rolling, and now everyone uses it. In Bosch, we don't only use Six Sigma. We use actually an approach which is standardized, where you have clear definitions from each step. The nice thing about the Six Sigma methodology is actually that it is a statistical methodology. And especially in combination with Jump, it doesn't use the gut feeling. It really looks at the data and how to improve the data. Now in the marketplace you have the Six Sigma add-in. You don't need to look for it anymore. You just go to one place and you can click on it. So it makes it very fast. The project I did as a black belt project was another type of Six Sigma project where we defined a new measuring method. And by doing that, we could reduce the lead time for finding a new compound from 8 months to 1.5 months. And reducing the time to market. And also improving it, and the control part is actually fixing it so that it doesn't happen anymore. What I like the most about my job, actually working with data. Those things really can make me happy, or that I'm really curious. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know how to solve it. I go to the Jump community, I ask a question, you get an answer for someone who says, try it like this, and that works. And that really gives me a lot of joy and a lot of energy.